what should a first-time home buyer look at? And we'll get to VA loan details, but what should we be looking at? Let's say I've decided my wife and I want to go buy a house. Where do we start? Where do we go next?
Yeah, well, typically the process is going to be first determining what you can afford.
Mhm.
And affordability is such a big part of the equation because not only does it typically require something for a down payment, and even if it's a VA loan, you may not need a down payment, but you still have to worry about closing costs.
Yeah.
And then you also have to think about the other things that come with home ownership, such as maintenance fees and just upkeep of the home. So determine where your budget is and how much you can afford. And the best way to do that is to talk to a lender and get pre-approved.
Now, once you kind of sat down, and you have to know what your needs are for a
Mhm.
house, right? How
Mhm.
many rooms you need, square footage, whether you need land or don't need a lot of land, those kinds of things. And then you can back out and figure out, approximately how much a house is going to cost.
Sure.
Now I'm going to go talk to my lender. The lender's going to say we can pre-approve you for X amount of dollars. And now we need to start talking to the lender. Okay, if I do or don't have a down payment, we'll figure that out. And then you have to start looking at interest rates and then back it out, find out what property insurance is
Mhm.
and all of those extra costs that go into it. And you got to figure out a ballpark mortgage payment.